All right, y'all, it's Mocktail Monday again, and I decided to bring the sign a little bit closer because one of my friends pointed out the fact that you're right. We can't ever see the sign. So we are doing some frozen peach Bellinis today for Mocktail Monday, and I'm excited. So let me show y'all what we have. So peach Bellinis are super easy to make. Um, for a traditional peach Bellini, all you really need are peaches and either sparkling wine or like champagne or something. So you could use like Prosecco, your favorite champagne, whatever. But of course, these are mocktails, so we're not going to actually be using alcohol. We're going to be using um, other stuff. So let me show y'all what we have to make these. We also have our blender back because these are about to be frozen peach Bellinis. So I picked up some frozen peaches, just a frozen bag of peaches. I would have done fresh peaches, but I figured since I want the drink to be frozen anyway, I could just use frozen peaches so I don't have to add ice. So we'll be using the frozen peaches. I have some non-alcoholic wine here, alcohol free. So this is the Duplin brand. So you can see that it is alcohol free, so we'll be using this in place of like our Prosecco or whatever. Because this doesn't have any fizz, and y'all know I love sparkle and fizz and all the extra stuff. I also got some sparkling apple juice, the Honeycrisp apple. So this will give us like our fizz or our little fancy that the champagne gives. And then I just got some mango concentrate basically, because I want there to be a mango twist on this peach Bellini. So let's get started. So first thing I'm going to do is, I'm probably going to use the whole pack. And I'm going to put my peaches in the blender. Dang, this is a lot of peaches. Put my peaches in the blender. In addition to the peaches, sorry, I like to clean as I go. In addition to the peaches, I'm going to add a half cup of the mango concentrate. I'm gonna use a fourth cup. I feel like the half cup is gonna be too much. Like the spirit just spoke to me and said, don't do a half cup. So we're gonna do a fourth cup. We're gonna do a fourth cup of the mango concentrate. If I need more, then I'll just add some more. We're going to do a full cup of our non-alcoholic wine. Oh, drop the top, that's all right. Full cup though. I had tasted it before I came on here because I wanted to make sure I liked it first. And it's really good. So I'm excited to drink this when it's all put together. And then lastly, our sparkling apple. And I think I'll just put a splash in for now. And then I'll add some more on top once we actually put our Bellinis in our glasses. So that's all we need. Let's go ahead and put the lid on this baby. And let's go ahead, turn our blender on and blend. It's good already, y'all. Just check the consistency. Yeah, I like this. Okay. All right, let me get our glasses so we can get it going. So Bellini, for the Bellini, I decided to just use wine glasses. A lot of people always want to know what the difference is between a Bellini and like other breakfast fruit. So, you know, like this could be a brunch drink. This could be, you can drink this anytime. It's not the same as a mimosa though, because a mimosa uses orange juice and champagne. This is What does the orange juice use? I mean, what does the mimosa use? I forgot. And I was gonna start the video over, but I'm not. So here we go. Let's pour it in. I'm gonna leave some room. I didn't really leave that much room, but I'm gonna leave some room to top this off with our sparkling wine. Our sparkling apple juice, I mean. All right, let's do that. Oh, girl. Hey. And that's it, y'all. That's literally it. I know the lighting is weird, but peach Bellinis. Look at the texture. It looks so good. Let me taste it. Y'all, try these. Try this for real. Okay. You know what else would be good? If you were to blend this up and make you some homemade popsicles with it. Make you some homemade popsicles. Listen, it's a hit. And you can do whatever flavor you want. I could have done peach with strawberry. I could have done raspberry. Whatever fruit you like, use that fruit. But today I wanted to do peach with a little splash of mango, and that was a good decision. Somebody also asked me, and I want to share this with y'all real quick. Somebody also asked me why was I doing these Mocktail Mondays. And I just figured, hey, while in quarantine, I've been creative and, you know, making these types of drinks for myself anyway. So I figured, why not record it? And then also just to share some of my creativity as far as like events and different ideas to like zhuzh things up, you know what I mean? Like, you can really create whatever you want, even with your food and beverage, especially with your food and beverage, because that's like one of the most important parts to me of an event. I don't care how beautiful an event is. If I go in there and their food is nasty, if they got dry cake, if they got nasty drinks, it's not gonna be an event that I talk about unless I'm talking about how nasty the food and drinks were. So I think food and beverage is a big part of that. But also, this is just a fun little home DIY thing that you can do with your family or friends, or even your kids. Make them feel a little fancy, make them feel a little grown, because they're able to have some mixed drinks and they don't have any alcohol in them because they're mocktails. You know what I mean? So just have some fun leading into summer. I'm going to continue this, even though I said it was just going to be for the month of May, but I am going to continue it through June and the rest of the summer as well. So if you have drink ideas that you want for me to make or experiment with, or if you have a favorite drink that you think I should try, let me know. I'll be more than happy to. And also, in case you didn't know, I am a wedding event curator, and I also have a group called the Dope Bride Tribe. So if there are any brides in your life that you feel like would enjoy these little fun interactive videos, this is just the tip of the iceberg for some of the stuff that we do when we talk about in the Dope Bride Tribe. We talk about wedding inspiration. I share different ideas. I'll be doing a lot more how-to videos, tips and tricks for getting the planning process, you know, off the ground. I know with COVID-19, it's put a halt on a lot of people's plans. And I'm just here to support them, support these brides, and create a community for them, and let them know that, hey, you know, COVID-19 has canceled or postponed a lot of things, but love is not canceled. You know what I mean? So we're still here for that. So for the brides that are ready to jump back into the planning or want to continue planning for, you know, for their wedding in the future, I'm here for that. I'm here for all of that. So anyway, frozen peach Bellini today. Hope you enjoy this video. There's literally a big blooper in the middle of it, so don't judge me, okay? Don't judge me. This is real life. I be forgetting stuff sometimes. But thank y'all for kicking it with me today. Thank you for watching, and I will see y'all next week.